Welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss the consequences of failing to comply with regulations set forth by the California Air Resources Board, also known as CARB. As we explained in our previous video, CARB requires all non-gasoline heavy-duty vehicles with a gross vehicle weight rating over 14,000 pounds to pass emission inspections in order to operate in California. CARB regulations will be enforced for trucks in and out of California in a few different ways, such as inspections at entry points from California Highway Patrol, as well as through required annual reporting from fleets. Please note that CARB regulations also apply to trucks that may be based outside of California but operate within their borders, even if it's just passing through their interstates. Failure to comply with CARB regulations can result in significant consequences for fleets. Vehicles found to be non-compliant may face several issues, including daily fines for each violation, experience roadblocks preventing vehicles from entering and causing a delay in delivery, be faced with registration block restrictions, preventing the vehicle from traveling within the state. To ensure that the necessary vehicles remain compliant, it is crucial that owners register with CARB and pay the initial compliance fee. Fleets and vehicle owners must then work with authorized service centers to certify their vehicles on a semi-annual basis to meet CARB requirements. Thanks for tuning into our CARB loading video series. Join us in the next one as we discuss how CARB identifies high-emitting vehicles.